Good morning, friends. Today we would be learning Python. Now, Python is a simple language. Now, remember in this series, we would be covering only how to code. Uh, I can make another series for Python, what understanding what Python features do. So, comment down if you want it. So, first we would want a we would open Python ideally. We would not be using today PyCharm because PyCharm is a for very high level programming, and today we would be only learning basics. So let's start. First, when we open this file, we need to put down new file. Now, what does this do? This removes this much part, and now we can save it. We couldn't save this ideally Python shell, but we can save this. So let us save for now. We save it as a name. I will save it as Vibhas.py. Remember, it adds automatically, but if you put .py, it would add a habit to you, and that is good. So after we open Python, so the first program we do is very basic. Print. Remember, the P is small, and we wouldn't add a space, or that would be an error would come. Print hello world. So when we add hello world, this does not work. We need to add a double quote or a single quote. But I prefer to use double quote. When we do this, then it will work. Or if we don't use it, it won't work. I will show you. And we need to save it. I forgot about that part. We need to first save that and then we need to run the module hello world. So this is how it works. Ideally, and here we can write for very lines of code, not one. Only in that we could write only one, I think, because I don't use anytime ideally. And now if we remove this double quote, it would run as a command. It would think it is a command, and when it finds the Python code finds that it is not a command, it will show an error. Oh, it's not safe. Remember to save all the time. I forgot about that. Not every time. Invalid syntax. So syntax error will come. So let us remove now. So this is our first Python code. You don't remove it. You just save it and open now. Create a new document named with your name, your program, and now we would made a how to tell the what is the value. So first we would tell him the value a is equals to 2. When we tell him, he thinks that whenever we put like print without any double quotes, then a would be run as a command. Okay, b is equals to 3. Now we add c is equals to we. I want to no, not right now. Print a. Now when we run this, uh, when we run this, 2 comes. As I told you, it will come 2. And now, if we want to add them both, so we would need to add another line of code. C is equals to A plus B. So now the command tells him that whenever someone prints the value of C, the answer will come of A plus 2, A plus B. And when the A plus B value comes, it will show them the answer. Uh, Save it and then let's run it. Wait, I forgot to do. Okay, now it should be running. Uh, Save. That's why I don't prefer to use this PyCharm editor because it's very, I think, very weak, very not useful. In PyCharm, I have a habit of using PyCharm because that's why I'm having. So now we will add a swapping program. Swapping program is much easier than that part. So A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2. Now A comma B, if you do A comma B is equals to B comma A. It will change this. See, we have put A first and then we have put B first, and B last and A last. So that would, when we print A, the value of 2 will come. So run 2. So that's how Python program, swapping program runs. Make sure you do print B also to check if it is working, because one time when I was learning Python, my some error was coming. Print B, run module. Okay, so one value has came. So this means your code is running fine. Okay, so this is all for the video today. In the next episode, we will tell you how to the basics only, and we will use Python. So please use Python in the next video, not just Python ideally. So play, so end, and thank you for watching.